Hello, my name is Maria Camila Bedoya, and today I like to talk about the movie named I Feel Pretty. The movie is about Renee Bene, a young woman who struggles with low self-esteem and insecurities over her appearance. Out of a China-based office, she manages the website for cosmetics firm Lily Care, while aspiring to work in their Fifth Avenue headquarters. When vacancy for a receptionist, she decides not to apply after reading the job description emphasis on being the beautiful face of liquor. One night, inspired by the movie Being Renee wishes Anna fountain to be beautiful, but nothing happens. The next day, Renee falls off her bike during an exercise class, hitting her head and losing conscience. When she wakes, she has not changed physical, but she believes herself to be beautiful. Then she gets the job as a receptionist and surprises them with her attitude. The main characters are Renee Bennett, who is the protagonist, interpreted by Amy Schumer, Ethan, who is the boyfriend of the Renee, and this character is interpreted by Rory Scolvin. Jen, who is one of the best friends of Renee, interpreted by Bossy Phillips, and Vivian, other of one her best friend, who is interpreted by A.D. Bryan. I Feel Pretty is written and directed by A.B. Cohn and Mark Silverstein, and appearing who also scripted comedy How to Single. Something of the song were Swalla and Me Too, and this movie can be seen on Netflix. The teaching of this movie are attitude is everything. It's all relative. Even if you attain the perfect body you've been dreamed of, you'll feel something to be insecure about. Be the best version of yourself. Speak up. If you want, if you have something of value to say it. It doesn't matter if you are in a room full of people who are more seniors than you or more beautiful than you. Your opinion is valid. And the last teaching is that you are what you make of yourself. You aren't what people say you are. You are what you make of yourself. Renee is continually judged by her looks, and the beautiful woman in her office all look down on her, but her persistent, sheer, and hard work gradually start to him then over as they realize that she is pretty. And this is the trailer of the movie, and that's all.